So I just came back from getting my blood drawn today, which was so weird because when I went into the lab, there were chairs and they had a 6-foot radius from other chairs, just like for the coronavirus precautions. So I went in there, got my blood tested. Like everybody was just gowned up in hazmat suits with their like, I wanted to go to a couple stores to try to find bread. I am still on the hunt for bread. None of the stores have bread. Like I walked into one and just that one aisle alone of bread is just empty, which makes me nervous because it's like my favorite type of breakfast right now. I'm loving toast. But I mean, there's a store with pita bread, so I'm gonna go over there and get some pita bread and like other vegetables, since Luke and I eat so many vegetables on a daily basis. But it's just crazy to me how like this time, I don't know if I should be panicking more, you know? I know other countries are on like complete lockdown, but I'm in the camp of it hasn't happened to me yet, so I can't visualize it and I can't really like grasp the concept of who else is freaking out. Should I be freaking out? Do you guys, if you're in another part of the country, like, should I be worried more or should I not be as worried? Because there's like people who don't care around here, and then there's people who are just like, all good though because I got sweet potato toast en route. Get it? Like en route, because root vegetable. So I still ended up making myself toast. Don't tell Luke. But there are still like sweet potato toast. It's just that they're taking so long to toast and I'm hungry. I may have other things to do right now. So while I'm eating this, maybe these will be done toasting, and then I can eat a couple and then I gotta go. So anyway, the grocery store was a great success. There were actually a lot of things there, including bread. It's not the bread that I wanted to find, but you know, it's definitely gonna be in high demand, I think, for the next week, at least next 2 weeks. But there were a lot of fruits and veggies, and there were actually a lot of things on sale. A lot of the beans were gone, but not too many. And then, okay, one thing that I'm proud of for human beings is when I went to the tahini section, it was almost empty. Meaning, you guys know what's up with the tahini. There were big bottles left, which was cool because I only wanted the big bottles anyway since I eat so much tahini. And also, there were these huge date boxes, like, you know, regular strawberry pint boxes. They were selling them for $1.49 each, so obviously I had to get 2. So I have that many dates and I bought them for $3, which is incredible. This grocery store is like one of those overstock grocery stores where they like have a bunch of cheaper vegetables and fruits and stuff, and it also has a lot of Middle Eastern items in there. I'm thinking because it's owned by people who are Middle Eastern who own the Middle Eastern restaurant next door, but that's just my assumption.
3 hours later.
Hi. Okay, so I thought I would just share with you what I got at the grocery store. Obviously, I know that grocery stores are still gonna be open during this time and that we're not doing a 100% stay in your home, lock your doors type of quarantine. I feel like they're staples, but I end up getting them for the quarantine time anyway, which are basically your non-perishables as well as vegetables. The vegetables over there were a lot, but not a lot of non-perishable goods. Pretty much all the beans were gone. There were some that were left. All the breads and all the flours were gone as well. So you know that people have been stocking up. Also, a lot of the milks were gone. There were no plant milks to be found there. So anywho, I will take you through what I got at the grocery store. Let's do the non-perishables first. They had, like I told you guys, these huge things of dates for $1.50, so I got 2 of them. Dates are really good for just snacking in general, but they're also great natural sweeteners. You can put them in your oatmeal. Chickpeas. So normally I would like to get bulk items like this, like bulk beans, bulk legumes, or grains, but they only had packaged ones, and I just wanted to make sure that I have enough bulk dried goods. Falafel mix that I wanted to try and make because I don't know, I miss falafel, so got some good old falafel mix. And tahini. I don't really know what I'm gonna do with diced tomatoes. I'm sure I'll do something with them, but 2 for $1. why not? And I think we are now moving on to, ooh, no, the breads. Pita bread. And I found a large loaf of bread. I really don't know if we can finish it in time, but if this is a challenge, I am willing to accomplish it. Are you guys challenging me? Like legitimately, I think I can finish this in a week. They were selling these dried figs. This whole pack was for $1, so like, why would I not? So yes. 2 packs of these big collard greens. Other vegetables include 2 zucchinis, 2 packs of asparagus, enoki mushrooms, unapi mushrooms. I'm not sure what kind of mushroom. Oyster mushrooms? Oyster mushrooms. Oh shoot, it was $4.99 a pound. Bruh, but whatever. Onions. I didn't bring my reusable bag. I do have reusable bags, but I just keep forgetting to bring them with me, or they're already being used for something else, or I didn't bring enough, whatever. Lemons. Lemons are really, really good for your immune system. It really helps strengthen your digestive system, and also has a huge amount of vitamin C, which is what a lot of us need. Here she is cutting in the middle of herself, but I forgot to mention that I also bought digestive cookie crackers type of things because I had some in the Philippines. I really, really liked them, and I tried these, and they're just not good at all. The digestives I had actually were from Mark & Spencer, so maybe this one is just like a bad brand. So I almost wasn't gonna mention them, but I thought I would just let you know that I too have grocery failures as well. This is my little kitchen mess right now. I'm gonna put these away. You're probably ready to sign off because I'm ready to sign off. So I hope you're having a wonderful morning, noon, day, or night wherever you are. And let me know in the comments below if I should panic, if I should not panic. Are you panicking? Should I be panicking? I'll see you next time. Bye.